Guys, I have a question for you. How did you sleep last night? Did you have pleasant dreams? If not, I'm going to show you how to make them. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. Today we're making a cocktail called Pleasant Dreams. It's really easy to make. 3 ingredients only, but it packs a punch. It has bourbon, blackberry liqueur, peach schnapps. It's a shaking cocktail, so without further ado, let's make a Pleasant Dreams. So the first ingredient, of course, is bourbon. I'm using Wild Turkey, 101 proof. It's a bit stronger than your average bourbon. It's 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. And don't ask me why this bottle is almost empty. I wouldn't know anything about that. Next up is Creme de Mure, or whatever you pronounce it, Blackberry liqueur. 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. And last ingredient is peach schnapps, of course, Archer's. 7.5 mils, 1/4 of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Ooh, smells nice. Now we need a rocks glass. And the recipe says just dirty dump it into a rocks glass, so we're going to do that. And that's it, ladies and gents. Pleasant dreams. Cheers. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is nice. This is really nice. You got a hint of bourbon, but it could be because I'm using a stronger bourbon, 101 proof. It's not too sweet. You can taste blackberry and just a little bit of peach schnapps. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's perfect just as it is. Yeah, this is definitely, this can trick you. This can trick you real easy. I mean, 45 mils of bourbon, 1.5 ounce, plus 2 liqueurs. It's nice, it's fruity, it's strong. I could drink this. I could drink this. Excellent. Well, that's it, ladies and gents. We made the Pleasant Dreams cocktail. Real easy to make, nothing too complicated. 3 ingredients only: bourbon, blackberry liqueur, peach schnapps. Just dirty dump it into your glass and you have yourself a perfect nightcap. Like always, let me know in the comments below what you think. I want to hear your opinion. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, click that like button and subscribe. It means a lot, helps the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.